Hi there, Lawrence here from Hip10. And today I'm going to talk about a common trend I see with the most successful insurance agencies and brokers. They're really good at this and they track it and they measure it and they really hone in on it. And that little fact is that activity equals results. So what does that actually mean? It really boils down to a couple of key metrics that you track on your insurance producers, that they can see, that you can see, that's visible for everyone to see. And those might be things like, how many calls did you make today, this week, this quarter? How many emails did you send? How many meetings did you take? How many LinkedIn requests or messages did you send? How many SMS text messages were sent out? Did you follow up when you said you would? Are you capturing all the key information required? And really, are you focused on the most important deals with the highest likelihood of closing? And that's what I mean by activity equals results. If you're very focused on these key metrics, you're going to be able to see the producers that are really putting in the time and effort with those prospects, with your customers, because everything is measurable. To do that, you do need a CRM, and the CRM does have to be set up correctly. You want your email system connected, your phone system integrated. You want a quick way to maybe send text messages, perhaps LinkedIn integration, just to reduce the data input for your team. But now you can look at a dashboard and see your team. You can see a leaderboard of who's making the most calls or who's taking the most meetings, because these are the metrics that tend to correlate with higher production, with more sales. The more often you touch the customers, the more love they feel, the less things slip through the crack, the better the experience, the higher likelihood they choose you for their insurance needs. It's very simple, actually. And none of these ideas are rocket science, but you would be surprised how many agencies and brokers have no idea, have no metrics into this information, even though these are the most key KPIs for a successful producer. Now, of course, there are other subjects around pricing and how you present. Those are whole different subjects. But in terms of the raw basics, activity equals results. So, thank you for watching. And if you found this useful, please follow along for more tips and tricks for insurance technology.